I'm very happy to be here. The title is Rain, Rain, Rain. God was very sad about his world. It was all spoiled now. The people was nasty and unkind, except Noah. Noah was nice, Noah was good, Noah was friends with God. God said to Noah one day, I have to get rid of all this nastiness. The beautiful world I made is all spoiled. There is going to a great boat. There is going to a great flood. Enough water to take away everything that is bad. But you will be safe. Then God told Noah to building a boat, the ark. Bang, bang, bang went the hammer. Noah did as God said, and he always did as God said. Noah was building a great boat, enormous boat, big enough for his family, big enough to save every kind animal and birds when a great flood came. And last, the ark was finished. A whole week went by. Then the rain began, on and on. Here, there was nothing at all to see except water. The ark was alone in the world. At long last, the rain stopped. Slowly, the water went down. Noah could see the top of the mountain. The ark came gently to rest. Noah opened a window and out flew the raven. There was water everywhere and nowhere to land. The raven kept on flying. Noah waited a bit, then he sent out the dove. She flew out with a new green leaf in her beak. Everyone cheered. Slowly, the water went down. Noah sent the dove out once again. This time, she did not come back. The water had gone, and the land was nearly dry. You can come out now. God called to Noah. It's quite safe, and don't worry. There will never be another flood like this, I promise. Look, I'm painting the rainbow in the sky as a sign I will never forget. And then Noah and his family and all animal and birds came out in the ark. They were very happy, and they was keeping and sleeping and hoping for joy. Thank you, oh thank you God. They said, for keeping us all safe. This story is finished. This story is a good story. I felt that God was great and afraid, because God had to get rid of all this nastiness. I do worry. I'm not nice and I'm not good, but I'm friends with God. So I will try to be a nice one. Thank you. Wow.